Your AI assistant will need its own ID. Click on the link to create your AI assistant. Click on the green button to create your AI assistant. Then name it for its purpose, since you can create as many as you want. Add any special instructions. You can always modify this later. Be sure to click to allow it to search through files that you upload. Then you can take a look at the different ChatGPT options. You may want to do a little research, since they may be charged differently per usage. To upload files for your AI assistant to refer to, you can drag your files in or click on Upload and search through all the files you will want to provide it with. After you have finished uploading files into your AI assistant's library, and you're ready to copy its ID to place into the LLMO Template Generator, under the title of your AI assistant is where you can copy the ID. Then go back to your AI assistant generated LLMO template software and enter your assistant's ID. And now you can use it to autofill templates according to the topic and information you uploaded for its reference.